GCSE Biology. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about biodiversity. Preserving biodiversity. Biodiversity is the amount of different species that can be found in a given environment. Human activity can have huge impacts on the amount of biodiversity. Overfishing lead to a huge decrease in diversity in our oceans. This had knock-on effects by disrupting predator-prey cycles. In an effort to prevent overfishing, fish farming became a method of providing fish for consumption. However, fish farming causes environmental damage of its own. Fish are kept in small spaces during fish farming and waste sinks to the bottom of the pools the fish are in. The chemical in the waste can leach into local water tables and affect the growth of nearby vegetation. Not all the animals we see are native to the local environment, gray squirrels for example. The introduction of non-indigenous species can damage biodiversity. The gray squirrel has caused numbers of the native red squirrel to plummet. Eutrophication is the addition of extra nutrients to an environment that should naturally be there. While this may not seem like a problem, there can be knock-on effects that affect biodiversity. Eutrophication can occur when fertilizers added to fields to increase the yield of crops is washed into rivers by rainfall. The addition of nitrogen and phosphates in the river water causes river plant and algae to grow much more quickly. This leads to two problems: lack of sunlight, lack of oxygen. Lack of sunlight occurs because surface plants and algae grow across the water and the sunlight cannot reach the water. This means that water plants die and so stop producing oxygen in the water as a byproduct of photosynthesis. The reduction of oxygen in the water means that fish die and other aquatic animals die. If many aquatic animals die, it means that other animals in the food chain are at risk due to lack of prey.